Why is nobody talking about when Saturn moves into Pisces? There will be a lot of emotional cleansing. There will be a lot of illusions, lot of fears that will surface up, and people will have to face this. Saturn in Pisces means that आपका जितना भी emotional baggage है वो बाहर ऐसे फट के निकलेगा. वो कहते हैं ना फट के बाहर आएगा. Something like that. Also, whatever things that you have put behind and you have not addressed, this is the time that it will surface back again and you will have to address. Saturn आपको छोड़ने नहीं वाला है. जितनी भी चीजें आपने रिलेशनशिप में कभी बाउंड्रीज सेट नहीं करी थी, या अगर आप ऐसे हैं जो कभी भी अपने यू हैव जस्ट बीन वेरी वेरी हाँ ठीक है चलता है बाद में एड्रेस करेंगे. दिस इज द टाइम, दिस नेक्स्ट 2.5 years after Saturn goes into Pisces, it's going to test your boundaries in relationship also. For people in career, they will feel that their goals have suddenly changed. They don't want what they want. Their goals will realign. अभी तक जो आप materialistic goals को chase कर रहे थे, that will come back and you will start having those real goals, life purpose goals for yourself, and then you will see that because of Saturn moving in Pisces, you will see the different outlook that you're doing. So it's a time of too much of karmic realization, clearing all your karmic debt. Emotional baggages will be solved and resolved in this time. And since it is in Pisces, Saturn is in Pisces, there is a high chance that people will fall into addiction or something of that sort. So you should be very very careful during this time. And this is a very very good time to use Saturn soap or do poor feeding. Poor feeding अगर आप करेंगे तो आपका ये जो Saturn का टाइम है 2.5 साल जो है हमारे, वो थोड़े आपके easy रहने वाले. So do these things and see how your Saturn phase goes to be and realign your goals. I'm telling you right now itself.